To delete checklists, basically you go into the settings area, click on your initials in the upper right hand corner, go into setup, and in here there is a checklist library. In the checklist library, go to the section of the checklist that you want to deal with, which database. So let's say, for instance, we've got some checklist items in our listing area. We can go into listing and we can say edit checklist items. This will show you all of the checklist items that are available, that are currently set up in your system. Because checklist items can be shared, they're in here so they can be reused and stuff. But if you want to get rid of them, you can come here and click on the little delete icon. Now, if that checklist item is being used in a routine, it will show you the number of times it's being used. You can click on it and you can see which routine it is connected to. Or if it also has a checklist required item, it'll have this little check box here. But in either case, if you want to get rid of something, you can click on the delete. It will let you delete it and remove it from the list. If you try to delete one, it will say, hey, it's being used. You need to remove it from a routine before it can be deleted. Once you get all of those in there removed that you want to remove, just click on close and you're good to go.